Hello, Business World. There is an exciting announcement waiting for you. An event like never before. An event where great things happen by professionals and for professionals. Top Rankers Management Club is back with its legacy of hosting nation's prestigious event for business world on reimagining people, technology and culture in the future of work. Curated by the Summit Director Dr. Ashok Balyan, Chairman and Director of 𝐥𝐿 Energy. It's your time to interact with 30 plus elite speakers, 40 plus dynamic leaders and 50 plus brightest awardees of the nation at 22nd National Management Summit. Get deeply impressed with the deliberations at the forum with best learning at this event on 17th and 18th June at Hotel Meridien, New Delhi. Shri V.S.K. Sood, President, Top Rankers Management Club and MD of Top Rankers Management Consultants, a versatile and eminent professional, invites all management experts and academicians to attend the summit.